Sophie. It's wonderful to have you on Floor Talk. Thanks for joining me today.
My pleasure.
So, Sophie, sustainability, particularly forest stewardship, is at the core of international paper. Tell me about IP's strategy in this space.
As a company who produces sustainable packaging solutions, fiber from sustainably managed forests is our most important raw material. So essentially, our entire business model depends on the sustainability of forests. We have to be thinking all the time about where the fiber comes from, who's producing it, and how we think about the whole value chain in terms of promoting sustainability at every step of the chain.
From the forest to the recycling plant, IP provides a circular approach to manufacturing. What does circularity mean to IP?
We're thinking a lot about circularity, about how we can contribute with our products to a low carbon circular economy. That means engaging people along the entire value chain, including the end consumer, to encourage them to recycle the products that they use and those that land on their doorstep every day. It's not just about the actions that we take, it's really about the actions of actors all along our value chain, from sourcing out to the end of the use of that product.
And as we continue to order more online, get more deliveries to our house, our homes in boxes, and swap polluting materials for renewable fiber-based alternatives, what effect does this have on the future of our world's forests?
As the need in the world for more fiber-based materials grows, we see actually a tremendous opportunity through sustainably managed forests, as well as through circularity in the value chain, to ensure that those forest resources are not compromised in the goods and services they provide to people and the planet, and to continue to deliver products to our customers, and for the world to continue to see forest products as renewable and sustainable for the long term.
Now, after spinning off the papers business a few years ago and with the proposed acquisition of the DS Smith in the UK, it seems like the future's pretty bright for international paper. Tell me, what makes you most excited about the next chapter?
I think we have a lot of opportunity to differentiate ourselves as a company, and also to lift up sort of the forest products sector and say, look, these are some of the things we're doing through our business that are all the way back to our fiber sourcing, really promoting sustainability and stewardship on the ground, and thinking not just about the environment and the conditions under which that fiber is produced, but the people who are part of our value chain, from our sourcing all the way out to our customers. I think with this potential change in our footprint and expansion, actually we have an opportunity to really scale these kinds of efforts. That's exciting, not just from a business perspective, but from the perspective of being able to deliver sustainable outcomes and sustainable packaging solutions in a much broader market, and having a much bigger footprint to do that.
Well, Sophie, thanks for stopping by Floor Talk. It's been wonderful to talk with you.
It's been great being here. Thanks for having me.